Jean Latour fought her first legal battle when her brother began to fight for his life. Shortly after graduating from UW Law School, she successfully challenged the nursing home at which her ill brother was housed. The experience inspired her to continue standing up for the vulnerable, which she does in her work as an assistant state public defender. She also plays a key role in Waukesha County's drug and alcohol courts.
What makes this job cool is fighting for the underdog. Being there, listening to people who have been underprivileged. There's so much there to explore, to examine, to investigate, to litigate, and to fight for that person. Listening to that person who's never been listened to, I think, is one of the cooler things, and you find out a lot of amazing things about their lives that change the landscape of the case and can really change the outcome of the case and help this person.